Tanya and welcome back to my brand new vlog. So tell me one thing guys, what are the things that we look for when we are booking any hotel or resort after this lockdown? One, good safety measures. 2, good location. 3, prompt room service. 4, cozy yet very affordable rooms. 5, of course, good ambience and a beautiful scenic beauty from outside our window. And last but not the least, mouth-watering yet pocket-friendly food. Hannah, agree? Let me know in comments. And right now, let me take you through the tour of the resort that we stayed for 3 long days in Darjeeling. So let's get started. Before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel or दबा देना bell. Here goes our small cozy room. So see, it's so beautiful. It looks like a cottage, and that mirror you can see, that mirror is also a heater, okay? And it's a lovely mirror, a wooden mirror, and got such a cottage feel everywhere. Such a pretty room it is. There goes all the tea things. So I can see there is Assam tea and Assam tea and Assam tea, only Assam tea and Nescafe. Okay, never mind. The bed sheet is also so pretty, like you feel like, and the carpet also, you feel like you are at a home only, like a better home, a cozy, better, luxurious home. It's not luxurious also, it's more cozy. And then coming to the important part, that's the view. There goes Kanchenjunga there. So we are such a height, see, we are staying at such a height, and there a little bit part of the hotel. So from there, like from there we came to this part. Let's check out the bathroom now. Okay, so it's a nice small bathroom with all equipments. Yeah, so all pretty necessary equipments, geyser, soap, and balthi bhi hai. And then that is okay. So that's a shaving kit, not for my use, but there's a soap, I guess my husband used it. And that's a body lotion. And what's that? Wow, that's a dental kit. Cool. So pretty much, and that's me, the very tired me. खाने में क्या है सर जी? खाने में क्या है?
Indian Chinese food.
Here's my husband checking the food. Like hotel aake he's trying, like finding out and checking out food. Here her tackling ka menu. So coming to the food menu, they are pure vegetarian restaurant they have. So they got breakfast, but the options are really good in veg also. And beverages, high tea, so many starters are there. So happy to see that during high tea we can have them. And then coming to the main course, they got the Indian menu and the dal, and the main courses, soup, and also some Chinese menu too, and gulab jamun, custard. Oof. And guys, you can see the prices are so reasonable, just 120, 150, very pocket friendly. So we have decided that we'll go for veg pulao and the paneer tawa masala and hot gulab jamun, of course. After 20 minutes our lunch arrived, and guys, I want to tell you though they got lot of option in both Indian and Chinese, but the Indian dishes are too good. Like you must try if you're staying here. Guys, I hope you are loving my this vlog, so please don't forget to like and share. This room is so good ना, बाहर इतना ठंड है पर रूम इतना comfortable है और the curtains are so relaxing and so beautiful. I'm completely loving this room. Highly recommending. Oh my god, I'm saying highly recommending this resort whose name is Uran Dekling. So if you Google, you will find a lot of good reviews and all reviews are so good. हाँ बस एक ही कमी है कि भेज है इन लोगों का रेस्टोरेंट, जो इन हाउस रेस्टोरेंट है, तो मोस्टली जो लोग हम लोगों की तरह नॉन वेज लवर्स हैं उन लोगों के लिए थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लमेटिक होगा। प्रॉब्लमेटिक इतना भी नहीं होगा क्योंकि आप बाहर से ला सकते हो, पर अगर बाहर जाने का मन नहीं है फिर तो यू गेट ओनली दिस वेज ऑप्शंस विच आई हैव शोन इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द वीडियो। Yeah, that's it. चलो अब फाइनल बाय।